Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Zoom Story. If you are new to this channel, you are requested to subscribe my channel for more updates. Please try to watch the full video. Pepsi is the topmost famous brand in the world. In this tutorial today, I'll try to teach you how to simply draw Pepsi brand logo through Adobe Illustrator by step. First open an artboard and click File menu to place the image in artboard. Let's make a new layer to place the image and name it Outline. Lock the image. Today we'll try to draw it through Golden Ration. Select ellipse tool to create a round shape. Press Alt to copy the round shape several times. If you seek best graphic designer, embroidery digitizer, then please knock us through following email address. We can handle any sort of graphic or embroidery task smartly. Click Pen tool to draw a curved line. Then select all the circles and click Shape Builder tool to remove unwanted lines from the drawing through Direct Selection tool. Remove raw image from the outline. Pepsi was first introduced as a bread's drink in New Bern, North Carolina, United States in 1993 by Caleb Bradham, who made it at his drugstore where the drink was sold. It was renamed Pepsi Cola in 1998. Pepsi because it was advertised to relieve dyspepsia, today more commonly known as indigestion or an upset stomach, and Cola referring to the cola flavor. Some have also suggested that Pepsi may have been a reference to the drink aiding digestion like the digestive enzyme pepsine. But pepsine itself was never used as an ingredient to Pepsi Cola. The original recipe also included sugar and vanilla. Bradham sought to create a fountain drink that was appealing and would aid in digestion and boost energy. Use eyedropper tool and pick color from the color palette. Flat design of Pepsi logo in Adobe Illustrator is almost finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you want to watch later in commenting. I think this video is easy and quick to learn for graphic designers who are looking to improve their skills in Adobe Illustrator by using new tips and tricks. Please being with us to learn graphic design, embroidery design and CAD/CAM system step by step. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please share this video. Subscribe and likes will be a great support to create good content. Bye bye.